This Road to Prosperity video is sponsored by Vandergraaf. Visit vandergraaf.com to learn more about how their advanced drum motor technology reduces maintenance costs while delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors operating in the harshest of environments.
Contractors have always had the challenge, and certainly this applies, I'm sure, to pit and quarry operators too, of attracting workers ever since so-called voc ed programs shut down over the past decades. And while the industry is doing a lot to try to interest kids in construction careers and pointing out that the average pay is higher than they can get without a degree in almost anything else, and that the career opportunities are great. You can learn to be and rise to be an executive in a company or start your own, and you can show your friends and family that you built this and not just serve 80 lattes or move 2,000 packages in a day. Those things haven't been enough to fill the pipeline, to say the least. And construction faces even greater challenges post-pandemic, when so many other jobs can be done remotely or on a hybrid basis, flexible hours, indoor work, not this extreme heat that we've had in so much of the country for so long. And then on the longer term, as we see more people reaching retirement age, fewer coming into the workforce, again, construction is at a disadvantage because people leave that hard physical labor at a younger age than they do other jobs. As an economist, I can keep going into my 70s as I am, but I sure wouldn't want to be out working in 100-degree heat, lifting heavy loads.
Right. Yeah, I think that's spot on, and obviously something we've heard a lot about as well. And I guess maybe just one follow-up to that is what do you think can be done? You know, we've heard about construction materials companies getting into schools. We've heard about, different ways, again, trying to reach out to some of the vocational programs, even though those are maybe diminishing a little bit. Just at this point, what can be done to sort of, I guess, solve this problem that has seemed to be around forever and doesn't seem to want to go away?
Right. I think companies are getting more open-minded about who would be a suitable construction employee. They do seem to be reaching out to schools more, although I can't say that I'm hearing that succeeded. I just don't know. I'm hearing more attempts. And then they really do have more potential. I've been with AGC 22 years now, and some things I've heard from the day I came, but I think they are succeeding in limited ways of getting more production moved off-site, of doing things with fewer people on site or with a lower skill level, and of bringing skill levels up faster. So all of those things allow them either to substitute for labor or get people educated or trained, I guess is the word, more quickly. And perhaps the fact that you get to play with cool tools like GPS and laser guided and autonomous machinery and robotics and some 3D printing and drones, certainly in a big way. All of those may entice a younger generation that previously was turned off by thinking construction was deadly dull and dangerous work.
Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. To learn more about how their advanced drum motor technology reduces maintenance costs while delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors operating in the harshest of environments, visit vandergraaf.com.